Hello friends, welcome back to Flavors and Knowledge. You are connected with your host, Chef Walter Potenza. This podcast explores the identity of papaya, a delicious and a versatile tropical fruit that can be used in a variety of sweet and savory dishes. Also known as papaw or pawpaw, a tropical fruit that is believed to have originated in southern Mexico and Central America. It is thought to have been domesticated as early as the year 1000 BC by the Mayans and the Aztecs. The fruit was first introduced to Europe by the Spanish and the Portuguese explorers around the 16th century, and it quickly spread out throughout the world's tropical regions. And so I put together a few suggestions on how to use papaya in your cooking. Let's start with number 1, smoothies. Blend the ripe papaya chunks with yogurt, honey, and ice, and make a refreshing and healthy smoothie. 2. Salads, of course. Add cubed papaya to your favorite green or fruit salad for a burst of that tropical flavor. 3. In salsas. Mix chopped papaya with diced tomatoes, onions, and jalapeno and lime juice, and make a wonderful salsa that pairs well with seafood and chicken or all types of grills. And then we have grilled papaya. Cut the ripe papaya into wedges and grill them until they are caramelized and tender. Serve as a side dish or dessert perhaps, with a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Then we travel to India for the papaya curry. You can add diced papaya to any curry dish for a sweet and a tangy flavor that balance out all the spices. Papaya jam? Perhaps. Simmer the mashed papaya with sugar and lemon and make a delicious spread for your toast or biscuit, either in the morning for breakfast or a snack throughout the day. But always remember that there is the 7th, which is the papaya pudding, my personal favorite. Blend the papaya with coconut milk, honey, and vanilla extract and make a creamy and a flavorful dessert. Always remember to choose the ripe papayas that are slightly soft to the touch and of course have a sweet aroma. And that is all for Flavors and Knowledge here on the use and suggestions of papaya. I hope it was to your interest, and I will reconnect with you on the next round with another exciting topic. So, eat well and stay well.